Tyler, how
points.
does it feel being part of the cringiest ever on Do Not Laugh? Let's get an after-game interview.
Steven, your fucking face is a skateboard. God, why?
I swear to God, if you have another freaking sponge.
You see that, Adam? Fuck.
Fuck.
That one. The fuck! Take that one!
I'm pretty sure he's laughing.
Hold on. Hold on. No! There was a joke entitled To the Bone, and I want to finish my goddamn joke!
Feeling that right there.
We're so fucking bad. We suck.
Wait for
There's
it.
nothing to wait for, Tyler. It just says spung. It just says spung.
Alright, it worked for some people. I was
Who
waiting
the
for
fuck
it.
would this work for? Like, what person would laugh at the...
He just looks.
I told you. So I went to my orthodontist the other day. She suggested to me. Shit, that's not great. Tyler. Shut up! I'm not. I want to finish my joke. There's always fucking. I start my joke. Keep going, Colin. Keep going. I went to my orthodontist the other day, and she suggested, "Hey, you got a really tight ass. You should floss that."
Okay.
The shit.
Did he lag out again?
Where's that even supposed to be, man?
What the hell is that? Is that really your prop? Was that really your prop?
No.
Yes, it was.
So, each person actually gets 5 props since there's 5 people. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I lost all hope for you, man.
What?
All hope is lost. Alright, go ahead, Joe.
Next.
Wait, did I win?
No!
Well, what the fuck is the point of this?
Are you freaking kidding me?
No.
Are sponges all your props?
It works.
Oh, whatever. Alright, go ahead.
So, Tyler got a point?